Special Agent Fox Moulder here. We're just down at Warringinne Bushland Reserve to wait for the Frankston Doodlebug, who'll be coming down that hill, hopefully at pace. Coming from Stony Point and heading towards Frankston, which is in that direction, through the scrub. Couple of nice looking orchid type flowers along the side there. Just heard the doodlebug horn. Zoomed as far in as I can go there. It's probably about 1 kilometre away, that intersection up there. That's Stony Point Road, heads towards the naval base, the Cerberus naval base. Keep the camera on him here as here he comes across the intersection, and he's booking Jack. Doodlebug ahoy, okay, go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe. Doodlebug toot, Doodlebug's horn salute. Tooting his horn there for the next intersection. Reed Parade. All right. Okay. Thanks for watching this far, and I'll catch you on the next one. Special Agent Fox Moulder out.